Who's that from? Read the name.
Yep. Yay, sparkle card.
Problem strike. Yeah, it's on the. Let's see. I'll read it. Hey, give it to me. It's on the upper corner. This is from Jeanette. This is from Nettie.
Did you forget something important you had to do?
Oh no. You, Killa. I get $10.
$10.
Who's that from, Anna?
Holy cow, $10.
Cool.
Look.
Who's it from? Whose name? Oh, that's Nettie. Yeah,
That's
Nettie.
Auntie Nettie.
So Cheyenne didn't give it to
She
you?
always does that, Mom.
Auntie Nettie?
I think Cheyenne gave it to you.
No.
Okay, I bet there's
See, that's
$10
the Bible.
in here.
We
Yep.
have to
Oh,
press
yeah,
the
that's
button
it.
again. No,
See,
but
What
look.
do you gotta do with
What do you
$10?
say, Anna? Caleb?
Maybe spend it on Skyline.
Of course. What do you say,
Thank you.
Anna? Say thank you, Cheyenne.
I had to speak.